All right, guys, so let's get into the Ulta haul. So Ulta put out that book and that coupon. It was 10 off 40, including prestige. I still have one more coupon that's not good to use yet. So I had some stuff in my cart on the app, and I said I'm just sticking to what I need, honestly, because it's getting to the point where I don't even need much else, y'all, besides makeup. So I don't know how I got to 35 because I counted. It was 10 off 40 and I should have been at $30. But I actually got to 33 before tax. And then 232 with tax. But I don't know how. So I feel like it's a little bit of a gimmick when you go in there, because every time I'm adding up the stuff walking through the store, I get to the point where I only need $2 or $3, and nothing is in Ulta for $2 or $3 except the little nail file. So what happened was I needed $5. She said I was like at 35. She said I needed 5. So I grabbed these tweezers. You can always use tweezers. They were 6. So I should have only been $1 over. So I don't know how I got to 33. I don't know how I got $33 over, but that's the thing that pisses me off about Ulta. I only have that problem when I go in Ulta. Everywhere else I go, I can get it down to the penny. But every time I go in Ulta, I don't know what it is. But anyways, I got a good deal though. So the Peach and Lily, this is the big one. Y'all see it? The Peach and Lily Ginger Male Oil Cleanser. I love this. It can be really expensive. It was $15. And then with the 10 off 40 coupon, it came down to 12. And this is the 5.7 ounce. Like, this is the big one. And it was out of this or La Roche-Posay. How you say La Roche-Posay? But La Roche wasn't on sale. And this was on sale. So I went with this. And this is regularly. So it says $35. Yeah, $35. So I got it for 12. Okay. I grabbed some more foundation because I wear foundation every day. Y'all will see this in my empties. The Maybelline Fit Me, $11.99 regularly. I got it for $6.72. And then I want to try the new NYX Jelly Blob. I grabbed Toast and Jelly. There were 3 of them I liked. They're $12 each. So since they were $12 each, I said I'm going to try one for now to see how I like it. They're regularly $12. I got it for $9.60. And then the tweezers were $6, like I told you, but with the coupon, it brought them down to $4.79. So how I got to 33 when we were right at 30, I don't know. But anyway, this is everything that I picked up from Ulta. I did really good. I had some other stuff in my cart, but I did not want to go over $40. I spent the total of $35.43. But it was supposed to be $30. I don't know where this $5 is coming from. It's throwing me off. I only wanted to spend $30. I went $5 over budget, and I don't know how. I don't, because if that's the case, I didn't need the tweezers. Tax was only $2.32. I don't get it. I don't know. Next time, I don't know. But anyway, next time I'm going to find something for $40. That's what I'm going to do. Buy some foundation or something for $40. And when the $10 come off, I'll be right at $30. How about that? But that's what your girl purchased. All right. I will catch y'all in the next one.